Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to update data in the database using PHP language. Please, if you're new to this channel, I request you subscribe to my channel so that you get videos on programming on PHP, Java, others, and even Android. Last time I went through how to display data into the database, from the database I mean, and this is the code for last time. So this code displays data from the database. Then this code is the one that inserts data into the database. Please, if you have not watched these videos, please, I request you watch them so that you get knowledge on how the things are worked on. So this is the serial. So today I'm going to show you how to update data. So without wasting time, let's create our new file. We declare first of all the doc. Declare the doc type to be HTML. We open HTML tag and close HTML tag. Now from HTML here, we're going to create a head tag. Open a head tag, open a title tag, and this heading has to be update. Close the title tag and close the head tag. Alright, then next we have to create the body. Close the body tag. Let's save this. We're saving to this file, so let's call it update.php. .php. So now from the body we're going to create a form. Method has to be post, then close the form, close the form tag. Now in here, what we're going to do is to get our data. Let's check our data how it is. Actually, that is our thing. Our table last time we created was called seminars. I mean, a database called seminar. Then the table is called learners. So last time we inserted these fields. We had the field for ID, first name, last name, and location. So what we're going to do here, we're going now to say our ID input text, input type to be is going to be text. Name will be ID. Then next, first name, input type to be text also, text, name is called fname. Then the next one is last name and location. Let's just copy this, copy, paste, paste. Here is last name, and just remove this, last name and location. Let's first run this and see. It's called, we're not there. We are here, update.php. Our file is called update.php. Yeah, this is now our file. So what we're going to do is to break this br, copy this, paste here, paste here, paste here, save, run. Nice. Let's That is all. Let's add a button down. Input type to be submit. The name, let's call it update. Then we can say value is edit data. Let's see. Right, this is the value. So this is all for that. Now we're going to create a PHP code up here. Don't need again to create a new file. PHP file. Let's create a connection to the database. Con is equal to MySQLi underscore connect. Our host name is called localhost. Our our username is called root. Our password is null. I don't have a password for my database. Then the database is called Semester. Last time we created a database called Semester. So let's first test the connection if it has connected. If con, then echo connected. Echo connected, else echo not connected. Let's run and test the connection. Yeah, we're connected. You see it's here. So as per now, we don't want this. We remove this and we come and say if we set we set our button. If we set $_ post, we bring the name that if someone has clicked the button, our button here is with this one. If someone has clicked the button named update, let's get this update, open curly brackets, then we create variables here. One $ID is equal to, we say $_ post ID. Post, we get the name of the text box, which is this one, ID. You have to be keen here. What we put inside here is the name of a text box inside here. So the next one is our variable. We can call another variable for the first name. We can call any variable. Let's call ff. It's got a $_ post, and we get the name of this text box, which is fname. Copy this and paste here. The next one is for the last name, $_ last. Variables can be any letter you use. _post, terminate it and Now let's copy the name of the last name text box. Here is the last name. Remember, we didn't name it. Let's put L name. Then here we have to put location. Let's just put loc. We copy the name of this and paste here. Then you can just copy this. Again, repeating. You can say location here. Location. Our name is called log. Copy. Paste here. So we're trying to tell the database that if someone has clicked the button update, then we shall now query the database that query will be, now we're going to go to our PHP admin, come to the table, which is this one, come to SQL, then come to update. Now set the update to be ID, not by one. Come highlight this one, come this side, click ID and click these arrows. Then what you're going to do is to copy all this, paste it here. But now for ID, we don't want ID this, we don't want that one there. So we're trying to tell them that if we set this, then pass the variables. I'm now going to pass the variables here. These variables, one, the variable for first name is called, the one we called here, don't want to confuse it here. The variable for first name is this one, first here. I just copy this instead of again doing paste and paste. So here the variable is location, copy this and paste it here. Then this one, the variable is last, copy, paste it here, actually in between the dots, like that. And we're going to set the ID, that where ID is equal to that variable, this variable here, where ID is equal to that ID variable. So that's all. What you shall do is now to query to get the data, to make connection now to query the database. The result from my SQLi underscore query second is variable connection, this connection variable, this one, and query, which is this one, which is key RY. That's all. Now we're going to get a condition here that if the result is okay, then echo data updated successfully. Let's just use short. Else echo data not updated. Yeah, this is the code for update. Now let's first test the code. Okay. Let's choose what to update first of all. This is our table. We browse it. Okay. Let's update a person with ID 4. This person. So we're going to update from there. From this way. Say ID 4. Let's give a unique name like EEE. No, let's capitalize EEEE. Even this one EEEE. Even this one EEEE. Let's update and see. Yeah, that has been updated successfully. Let's check here. Let's refresh. Yeah, it is here. It has been refreshed successfully. It has been updated successfully. So let's again update another one. Let's update with someone of 5. Let's put ID someone of 5. We give a name PPPPP. That's the last name PPP. Location PPPP. And successfully added. Let me see. Wow, it is this one here. Just updated PPPPPP. Wow, that's all what I had for this video. So if you're new to this channel, please I request you subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out. Thank you so much for watching.